How to activate Saily eSIM on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can activate your Saily eSIM on iPhone. Open up your settings first. Once you get here, go to Cellular and then scroll down a bit until you see an option called Add an eSIM. So you just need to go ahead and click on it. Now you will have two options to set up your eSIM. You can either transfer from your nearby iPhone or use a QR code. So if you tap on use a QR code, there must be a QR code provided to you by Saily or when you bought the SIM. You can just scan the code and then set it up. But if you don't have the code and have the SMDP address or activation code, you can enter the details manually. Just click on the button right below where it says enter details manually and then tap on it. Here you'll have to enter your activation code. First thing you do is enter your SMDP plus address, and then your activation code, and your confirmation code. Once all of that is done, click on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. Just follow the prompts, and then you should be able to activate your Saily eSIM on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.